welcome to my channel or welcome back.
In today's video, we are cleaning up this extremely messy basement living room / playroom area, which is full of just everything everywhere, including blankets and craft stuff that my kids use, to toys, to just everything. So I hope you'll stick around as we clean up this mess.
If you haven't seen the previous video, which was an all-day cleaning video, I will link it here. But I basically mentioned how we divided the house into 3 zones. In that video, we cleaned the first zone, which is the main floor, and covered the kitchen, the living room, main entry, dining room, and our powder room. And in this video, this would be considered zone 2, which is our basement living area. And then in our next video, we will cover the final zone, which is the upstairs, which has all of the bedrooms. So if you like this type of content and you like cleaning motivation, I encourage you to hit the subscribe button so that you stay connected, and also comment below if you have any thoughts or just want to share how you keep things organized and clean in your house. I do find that it's such a challenge for me to be a full-time working mom of these 2 young children, but also taking care of the house, and with everything else going on in life, I just struggle a lot to keep it all organized and clean. So if you have any thoughts on that, I would love to hear from you. But I appreciate you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. The way you used to hold me, like the sun in the water singing down, down, down. I'm still falling for you. Forget what I said, just come on over. Oh, forget what I said, just come on over. I don't need nobody else but me. It doesn't matter what you're gonna say. I just need time right now. I'm going alone tonight. I don't need nobody else but me. But I'm thinking of the way the way you make me grounded. Thinking of the way you used to hold me. Like the sun in the water singing down, down, down. I'm still falling for you. Believe it or not, in the basement, as messy as it is, this is also where I keep my desk, where I work. So that has also gotten out of hand naturally. So we are cleaning that up as well.
Don't know what we have to do, but someone's gotta change. You got issues that makes 2 of us, but someone's gotta change. If we never ever met before, if I never opened up my door, yeah, 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 yeah. If we never ever got to start, if I never opened up my heart, yeah, 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 yeah. You're about to lose me, just like that, just like that. You're about to lose me. Forever's never gone so fast. It's like you are avoiding me. Don't know what's up with that. I've tried to be the help you need, but I don't think I can. If we never ever met before, if I never opened up my door, yeah, 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 yeah. If we never ever got to start, if I never opened up my heart, yeah, 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 yeah. You're
our carpet down here in the basement is about 13 years old, and so it's starting to look a little bit rough. You see these markings that are still here even after vacuuming. There's also the thread that's pulling off under my desk area or under my chair. So we do have plans to change them at some point in the near future, but for now this is what it's looking like.
Why gotta be so hard? Sitting thinking in my car. I don't know what we should do. Do you? Do you? You're about to lose me. Just like that, just like that. You're about to lose me. Forever's never gone so fast. Just like that, just like that. Forever's never gone so fast. Just like that, just like that. Forever's never gone so fast. Isn't this the good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Keep playing my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beachy sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Isn't it a me crime to get a little lost in everybody's business? Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size. Not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Keep playing my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beachy sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Isn't this a good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Keep playing my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beachy sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. perfect, you're my type. Sweet and you care about my night. But I'm sobering up and this moment's past. Oh yeah, I don't wanna be tucked in someone else's arms. Cause my heart just broke and I need my time.
The video quality here is just so terrible, but I just wanted to show you that I was able to also just pull over the TV stand and clean back there. And these little hiding spots are the best accumulators of garbage. So there's a lot of mess behind these chairs. Just the treasures are endless around here.
You seem too nice to be alone. So lonely. I see you going through some things and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer. I just wanna go home alone. I need some time alone. I see you going through some things and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer, but they say I don't know where you come from. I don't, but you seem too nice to be alone. So lonely. I see you going through some things and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer. I just wanna go home alone. I need some time. I wanna go home alone. I wanna go home. I just wanna go home alone. I wanna go home some time. Bring me down, whatever. Call me off whenever. I got time whenever now. You look great, however. This can't wait for the better. Let us talk forever now. Cause baby, you and I, we lay awake at night, trying to find a light to keep this fire alive. Oh baby, you and I, we can't deny this fight. Oh, this fight. I'm drowning in your arms, still I want it all. Cause I deny it, deny I am. Drowning in your arms, still I want it all. Cause I deny we're no good for each other. I bring you down whenever. Try to find a clever way to say that I'm better now. You look great, however. This can't wait for the better. Cause now I got.
And this is what the space is looking like now. Before I get to just cleaning the stairs, or just the last thing I have left to do, I just wanted to show you what it now looks like. What do you think? Now, obviously, I don't have a big house with different spaces for an office and a playroom and a living area. So all of it is in one place, and therefore it can get quite messy. But I just wanted to show you that even when that's all you have, and even when your furniture is old and falling apart, you can still pull it together no matter how messy it gets.
overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived.
And that is it for today's all-day cleaning. I hope that you've enjoyed the video, and I hope that you have found some motivation in that whatever shape your house is in and whatever type of house you have, you can get it cleaned and organized one corner, one zone at a time, and make it a space that you feel comfortable living in. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you so much, and have a great day. See you next time. Bye.
Got me looked upon it, you and me. Got me losing sleep, I'm in too deep. Like an overdose, you're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm